Eat smart, move daily, and keep your bones unbreakable. Which of these superfoods do you eat daily? Comment below.
Extremely high in vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts calcium absorption. Natural vitamin D source. Potassium and magnesium keep bones strong. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Supports collagen synthesis.
Omega-3s reduce inflammation. Excellent plant-based calcium source.
Calcium and healthy fats combo. Rich in magnesium and zinc.
Full of magnesium and vitamin E. Calcium, phosphorus, and fiber for bone density.
Salmon, for a healthy heart. Welcome to Take Food Not Medicine, your guide to healing naturally. For strong joints, reach for pineapple. To support blood health, enjoy pomegranate. Keep your heart thriving with tomatoes. Boost brain power with walnuts. And cleanse your liver with beetroot.